Hello everyone! Welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Today we're gonna marinate chicken. 1 tablespoon whiskey, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire, 5 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Rub it well. Make it sure coated evenly. Okay, next, cut 2 slits into chicken breast. Cutting slits into chicken breast is a technique used to help meat cook more evenly, absorb marinades. Marinades for about an hour. Make sure to room temperature your chicken before cooking time. While you're grilling chicken, sprinkle with Lori seasoning to get extra piquancy or appetizing flavor.
Now we're gonna start cooking stuff. Hot in here. Chicken. Get that flame over here. That's right there. I should say. Yeah, we'll keep that right where it was. Up and down.
Alright, time for barbecue sauce. We use Stubbs barbecue sauce. You can certainly use any kind of barbecue that you prefer.
And there's a little bit of juicy juice. Hot in there. Yummy. Hot.
There you have it. They're all done. Tender, juicy chicken. Yummy. Happy tummy. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you all.